So, good morning, students. Let me come to that is the topic name is limit and derivative. So, we have already discussed some part of the limit. So, let me recall and further we discuss about the examples on the limit of the function. So, in previous video classes we have discussed that is two theorems. One is the first one is limit as x tends to a x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1. So this is the first formula which we have discussed, and the second we have derived very important derivation, that is limit of as x tends to 0 sin x divided by x is equal to 1. We have proved that is. So next we come to that is the third one is limit as x tends to 0, that is tan x divided by x is also equal to 1. How means we know that is sin x by x is 1. So tan x we can express by the sin x by cos x. So we can write this like this. So limit as x tends to 0, that is the sin x by x into 1 by cos x. So we can write that is sin by cos is tan. So let we use that is the limit of the product of the function, that is equal to limit as x tends to 0 sin x by x into limit as x tends to 0 1 by cos x. 1 by. So we have already known about this as a 1 into. So what we have to do, where there is x we have to put the 0. So that is a substitution of the limit. Limit of cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Then 1 into 1 by 1. So that is equal to 1. So here we clear that is limit as x tends to 0 tan x by x is also 1. That is third one, limit as x tends to 0 tan x divided by x is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. These are the very important result. It is a very important result, and for this derivation you will get definitely 5 marks. 5 mark so that you have to be prepared for this. So next, after this, some more limits we needed. So with an expansion we are deriving. Let me consider the expansion of the e raised to x. Series of e raised to x. E raised to x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial, so on up to, so that is x raised to n by n factorial, so on. So now we need that is the limit of this function. So for this we'll make some simplification. I'll bring this one on this side. What happens to this series? E raised to x minus 1 is equal to x plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial, so on x raised to n by n factorial. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಈಗ ನಾ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದರೊಳಗಿಂದು x ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, e raised to x minus 1 divided by x is equal to ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus x by 2 factorial ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, dividing on both the side by 1 by x. So plus ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x square by 3 factorial, so on x raised to n minus 1 divided by n factorial. So what is the limit as x tends to 0? ಇದಕ್ಕ limit as x, if you apply the limit as x tends to 0 for this, what happens to this? So let me find out. Implies that limit as x tends to 0 e raised to x minus 1 divided by have to apply the limit on both the sides. So that is limit as x tends to 0, that is 1 plus x by 2 factorial plus x square by 3 factorial, so on, plus x raised to n minus 1 divided by n factorial. So what we have to do, where there is x, we have to put the 0 for this. Any x illa alli 0 hakri, 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬರಲ್ಲ, plus 0 by any number 0 plus 0, so on up to plus 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So we got that is finally that is 1. So it implies that limit as x tends to 0, e raised to x minus 1 divided by x is 1. So this is very important result we have. Right? Next. Another result. So very important result. Another one, we know that is a log 1 plus x expansion. Expansion of 1 plus x. So that is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x4 by 4, so on. We have this. Agree? So here ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, add divide by x on both the sides. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ x ಗೆ divide ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, limit. So that is log 1 plus x is divided by x. 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus x by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus x square by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ x cube by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so on. So now what we have to do, we have to apply the limit on both the sides. As x tends to 0, applying limit on both the sides, what happens? Limit as x tends to 0, log of, that is 1 plus x divided by x is equal to, limit of 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So then we got that is the limit of this function. Or we can write this like this also, limit as x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x raised to 1 by x, we can write like this by using the property of is equal to 1. Ingu baribodu, so both are equal to 1. So these are very important result, you have to know this. So next we move, that is the problems on this. We are going to discuss the examples on this. Idar mele examples na solve madondri. One concept niಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ, limit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Limit means, so we are going to approach, means how to find out the limit of the function means we have to first know that is a limiting point. ಯಾವದರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಆ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದು. We have to find out the value of the function for that limiting point. So that is the evaluation of the limit, we will call it. So let me discuss the exercise number 13.1. Exercise 13.1. So the first one, evaluate the limit. Evaluate the limit. One name limit as x tends to 3, x plus 3. So what they have given, x plus 3 as limit x tends to 3, x plus ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹಾಕಿ is equal to 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? That is equal to 6. So this completes the problem. So this much. So we move to the second problem. Limit as x tends to pi, that is x minus 22 divided by 7. 22 divided by 7. 22 divided by 7. So we know that is how to evaluate the limit of the function. Limit as x tends to pi. So what they have given? X minus 22 by 7. 22 by 7. So what we have to do? As x tends to pi. Yelli x aitalla alli ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? pi is equal to pi minus 22 divided by 7. So pi andre ಏನು? What is the value of pi? That is nothing but the 22 divided by 7 minus 22 divided by 7. ಎರಡು ಏನಾದ್ರು 0. So the value of pi we have already known, that is the 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Pi value 3.142 ante. So next we move to that is the third one. Limit as x tends to 1, r tends to 1, pi r square. Pi r square. Pi r square. So is equal to limit r tends to 1 pi r square. So it means what? Where there is a r, we have to put the value of that limit. r ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 1 ಅಂತ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? r ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. So that is equal to, after filling the limit, don't use the symbol. ನೀವು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ pi into 1 square. 1 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. That is equal to pi. So this completes the problem. Next. So fourth one ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ as x tends to 4. Limit as x tends to 4. X tends to 4. 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. So we have already known that is the limit of the quotient of the function. What we have to do? We have to apply. So is equal to, we will take that is limit as x tends to 4 into 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. So we have already known that is the limit of the two polynomial, limit of the two polynomial, quotient of two polynomial as x tends to a, f of x divided by g of x is nothing but the f of a divided by g of a. We have already known about this. So what its meaning? Where there is a x, we have to put that is simply 4. That is the. So substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 4 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 4 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2. 16 plus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16 plus 3, that is 19 by 2. 19 by 2. So 19 by 2. So you get that is the, so 8 9 2s are 18. 9 point something. 9.5. 9.5. That is equal to 9.5. So this completes the problem. So next we move to the another problem. Fifth one, limit as x tends to minus 1, x raised to 10 plus x raised to 5 plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So we have already known that is how to find out the limit of the function. Naಮಗೆ already ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ limit ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Let me take that is limit as x tends to minus 1, x raised to 10 plus x raised to 5 plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Where there is a x, we have to put the minus 1. That is the evaluation of the limit. After the filling, that is the limiting point, don't use this symbol. E symbol use ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ minus 1 raised to 10 ಐತಿ. x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? minus 1 raised to 5 plus 1 divided by x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 raised to 10. 10 is even. Minus the negative number the power even is positive ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1. That is odd. Minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel ಆಯ್ತು. ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ? minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 we got that is. Next we move to the next problem. So sixth one, limit as x tends to 0, x tends to 0, that is x plus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 divided by x divided by x. So here you have to remember that the limit should be exist. Exist means what? That is very important. Whenever you put the limit of the function, we should get that is a definite value as like this, minus 1 by 2 or 2, 0, anything. So which is possible to identify. Exist ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So if we put the value, so we are not able to identify the actual value of that, and it is out of our sense to define the value of that. At that time we call it as a undefined forms. How can we undefined forms? So if we got the undefined forms, then what we have to do? Whether there is no solution or we have any solution for that, we have to search. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹುಡುಕೋದ್ರಿ? ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ ದಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ and bring to the exist form. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 by 0 ಬಂತು. ಇದರದ್ದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಕ ಬರೋದು 0 by nothing divided by nothing. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. So whether it is possible to say its value? 0 under nothing, right? So divided by nothing means how can we analyze that? What is its value? So that infinity by infinity, undefined tree. Infinity ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಲಾದಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಂತಂದು. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಗೆ ಇರೋದು. So we can possible to divide only which we know that and from which we have to divide. That both should be known. Then only it is possible to divide by us. Otherwise, so it is out of our sense. So this is also called as an undefined. And we have the another one, infinity raised to infinity. Infinity raised to infinity. So we cannot expand it. So infinity raised to. So undefined forms can be expanded to the undefined undefined form, so it is not possible. Next, 0 raised to 0, this is also undefined. You can undefined forms anta. If we got that, so in these any of this form, so we have to use the alternative method to evaluate and to get that is to the defined form. So ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನಕ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತೇವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ, ನಾವು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೇವಿ. ಸೊ x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ. ಏನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೋ, that we have to do this. So let me check whether we are going to get that is undefined or not. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, then we can move to the another method, that is we have to simplify it by formula, or we can simplify by using the substitution and reduce to the formula. Formula ನೋಡಿ, algebra formula ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, algebraic limit in algebra, limit as x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a is equal to, ಈ ತರ modify ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ x ray. So that is n into a raised to n minus 1. Very good, we know that. So whether it is possible to reduce like this. So if we got that is undefined, then we have to think about this type. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಏನಾರ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಏನಾರ ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನಾರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ to simplify and to evaluate the limit of the function. So let me come to this. We'll fill the limit. So is equal to limit as x tends to 0, x plus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 divided by x. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. It is, so that is 0 plus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 divided by 0. ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅದ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ 1 raised to 5 is 1, 1 minus 1 divided by 0. 1 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 by 0, which is undefined, which is undefined. If we got undefined, so then what we have to do? So we have to use the alternative method to get to the defined forms. So let me take that thing. So for this what we have to do to get to the defined form, that is x plus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 divided by x. So here we can write that is 1 raised to 5 is 1, so that we can write. See here. So x raised to n minus a raised to n we got. So let me take the substitution for this. Then we bring that in this form. So we can make easily. Put x plus 1 is equal to 1. We will substitute. Take that is 1. After substituting, so we have to change the limit. ಏನ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ x plus 1 ಐತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ y ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಅವಾಗ ಅದರ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ x equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that we have to find out, that is y minus 1. So next x ಏನದ 0 ಆದಾಗ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x 0 ಆಯ್ತು, y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ y 1, y tends to 1. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೊಸ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಬಂತು, 0 ಹೋಗಿ 1 ಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ 1 ಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೀವಿ, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. therefore ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕ್ರಿ, x tends ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. y tends to 1 y tends to 1. x plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡೇವಿ? y raised to 5 minus 1 raised to 5 divided by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂದೈತಿ? y minus 1. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ y, n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 minus a ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 y, x then y. So let me use this formula. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, that is n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 into a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 raised to 5 minus 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಲಿಮಿಟ್. So that is by using this formula we are going to write that 5 into 1 raised to 4 is 1 itself. So 5 into 1, that is 5. This is the answer. So 5. Whether it is defined formula, so this is the defined. Like this we have to solve the problems. So let me move to the another problem. Limit. So next, 7th one. Limit as x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4. x square minus 4. x square minus 4. So first ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? So limit of the function ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೋ ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ undefined form, so it is not a final answer of the limit of the function. What we have to do? We have to modify our given function, we have to simplify it, and we have to bring to the definite result. So let me check whether what happens to this. So limit as x tends to 2, that is 3x square divided by x square minus 4. So what we mean, where there is x we have to put that is 2. ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು is equal to. So after the filling the limit, don't use this symbol, that is very important. 3 into 2 square minus 2 minus 10 divided by 2 square minus 4 is equal to 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12 minus 10 divided by 4 minus 4. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? minus 4 plus 12 minus 12 divided by 4 minus 4 means 0 by 0, which is undefined, which is undefined. So undefined form ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ x tends to a x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a is equal to n into a raised to n. ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು 3x square. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತಿತ್ತು, ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಡವಕ್ಕೆ x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಐತಿ, ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೆನಪು, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ as x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ 3x square minus x minus 10. So we know how to simplify that. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 3 5s 3 10s 30, 6 5s 6 5s are 30. Note minus 6 plus 5, 1 only 3. So that one we got here. So we can simplify this like this. Limit as x tends to 2, that is 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 divided by, we can factorize that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus b, a minus b. So one we can write that is x minus 2, another one is x plus 2. We have to simplify this. So otherwise we don't have any alternative method. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3x ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ as x tends to 2, that is 3x common ಆಗುತ್ತೆ x minus 2 plus 5 common ಆಗುತ್ತೆ x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ x minus 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So is equal to limit as x tends to 2, that is x minus 2 common ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. So x minus 2 cancel ಆಯ್ತು. So that is, so common factor cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Limit as x tends to 2, so that is 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, so limit symbol ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಮಟ್ಟ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಅದು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಟ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ 3 into 2 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5 divided by 4. 6 plus 5 under 11 by 4. So that is, we got the defined formula. So this completes the problem. Okay, thank you.